Welcome students. In today's topic, we are going to learn about locating places on the earth. Before I start this topic, I would like to recite a poem for you. Round and round go latitudes, up and down run longitudes. Measure south, measure north, on the equator, what it's worth. Round and round, up and down, from the latitudes and longitudes, find out your own town. Students, all the continents, oceans, countries, and cities are marked on a globe. Without any reference point, it's very difficult to locate a place on the globe. In order to locate a place, we need a certain reference point. When we look at the globe, we are able to see only one side, as you can see in this picture. And see the other side, we have to rotate it. In this picture, you can see the point at the top. It is called North Pole, and the point seen at the bottom called South Pole. Okay. So, the globe rotates on the pole that passes through it, which is called an axis. What do you mean by axis? Axis is the imaginary line on which the earth rotates. You can see in this picture, as well as you can see so many lines on the picture. So these are called imaginary lines. We have two imaginary lines that divides the hemisphere. The first is equator and the second one is the prime meridian. Look at this picture. The horizontal line is called equator and the vertical line is called prime meridian. Here, the lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes and lines running parallel to the prime meridian are called longitudes. I hope this is very clear to you. Students, we learn about latitudes in brief. Here you can see the equator. What do you mean by equator? Imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole is called equator. You can see in this picture. The part of the earth which lies in the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part of the earth which lies towards the south is called southern hemisphere. Let's come to the properties of latitudes. The length of these parallel lines keeps on decreasing as we move away from the equator towards the pole. All the lines parallel to the equator forms the complete circle except North Pole and South Pole, which are the points. These lines are numbered, okay? So, the equator, which is marked as 0-degree latitudes, are circle that can be drawn, and the North Pole is marked 90-degree and the South Pole is marked 90-degree. Students, you can see the upcoming picture. There are total 90 parallels in Northern Hemisphere, 90 parallels in Southern Hemisphere. Together, we have 180 parallels in latitudes. I hope it's very clear to you. And all the parallels are drawn at a distance of 1 degree. Important latitudes. Most important latitude is equator, which is marked as 0 degree. Second latitude is Tropic of Cancer, which is in north 23.5 degree. Third one is Tropic of Capricorn, which is south 23.5 degree. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. In today's session, we learnt about important latitudes as you've seen in this picture. Please maintain a book and write the answers along with the sentences. Thank you.